Now we will do comprehension passage 3. Read the passage carefully and answer the following questions. Tina. Tina is the name of a girl. Tina's class went to school carnival. Carnival means mela. Okay. Tina's class went to school carnival. Carnival means mela. It was carnival. Carnival. It was a lot of fun. Naturally, in the fair, when you go and you enjoy yourself, it gives you a lot of fun. बहुत मज़ा आया. It was a lot of fun. Tina won 2 prizes. One means win, जीतना. Tina won. Means she has won means win किया. Okay. Tina won 2 prizes. She won a bat and a toy car. One prize was bat, other prize was toy car. She had a great time with her friends. She enjoyed a lot there with the friends. Great time is enjoyed. First she played few games. Then she ate popcorn. First she played games. Then she ate popcorn. In the end she watched magic show. In the end she watched magic show. जादूगर आया था and उसने जादूगर का शो देखा. मैजिक शो, जादू का शो. Tina and her friends were very happy. After doing so many things in the carnival, they were very happy. Once again we will read. Tina's class went to school carnival. Don't say mela, okay? Always say carnival. Tina's class went to school carnival. It was a lot of fun. Tina won 2 prizes. She won a bat and a toy car. She had a great time with her friends. First she played few games. Then she ate popcorn. In the end she watched magic show. Tina and her friends were very happy. Let's read the questions now. Where did Tina's class go? Tina's class went to the school carnival. Where did Tina's class go? Tina's class went to the school carnival. What did she eat? She ate popcorn. What did she eat? She ate popcorn. First she played games and then she ate popcorn. What did she win? She won a bat and a toy car. She won. Win का one हो जाएगा. WON. Okay. Win is a present tense. Won is a past tense. We have to answer in past tense. What did she win? She won a bat and a toy car. Fill in the blanks. She had a great time with her friends. Where? In the school carnival. She had a great time. She enjoyed with her friends. In the end she watched which show? Magic show. In the end she watched magic show. See the spellings from the passage. Okay. Write true or false. Tina won 4 prizes. No. 2 prizes. False. First she played few games. Yes, true. Find 2 nouns. Find 2 verbs. Okay. And find 2 opposites. First one is fun. Mazana. Fun. So what is the opposite of fun? Bore. Bore हो रहे हैं हम तो bore हो रहे हैं. You always say like this ना. So you can write BORE bore, or you can write boring. So fun is already given, so I will not give you here word fun. Sorry. I will not give you word fun. Here we will write bore and you will write the word opposite of bore from the passage. This I have done little mistake here. So I am erasing and writing here boring. You find out the opposite of boring. Okay, boring. Okay, the opposite of boring is fun, fun. Okay, that is written in the passage. And many, 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 and opposite of many is few. Okay, few, few. So find out from the passage and write down. Okay, bye. We will meet in the next class with more passage work. Okay, bye bye.
Bem.